Despite the afflictions caused by an unprecedented global challenges transpired in 2020, Saudiderm will proceed and continue with its mission. Given this, the Organizing and Scientific Committee invites you on the upcoming 4th Annual Saudi World Conference and Exhibition for Dermatology, Laser and Aesthetic Medicine, Saudiderm, which will be held in a high-tech and sophisticated virtual platform on 22nd to 23rd of January 2021. Come and join us in exploring this virtual reality with the easy sign-in process through the following steps. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Welcome Note. You can directly watch the Welcome Note. Lobby. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. While zooming in all tabs, you can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the Auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click the Maximize icon to view in full screen and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Raise Hand icon to get the attention of the speaker or moderator and ask your questions to the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hallwise. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibition Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will be showcasing the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You will also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners through asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here in the Information Desk, you can ask the online representatives through joining Information Desk chat room, type your questions, and get your answers in real time. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chats with other participants. People say the world has changed because of COVID-19, and some think that virtual reality is going to dominate. But we do hope that we go back to the good old times and be able to meet in person. Hopefully, by the time the Saudiderm 2022 5th Saudi World Conference and Exhibition for Dermatology, Laser and Aesthetic Medicine is due on 26th to 29th of January 2022 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, we can achieve meeting in person once again.